welcome to Butterfly Candy. Today we have something really fun, these new Disney Funko Mystery Minis. They have princesses and they're fun pets. I have a box of 12 and I believe there is 16 different ones you can collect, so hopefully we don't get any doubles. Which one is your favorite?
I kind of want the tiger because I like cats. If I had to choose a character, the princesses. I was always a fan of Aladdin, so.
All right. And I want Gus. I can never remember his name. Cogsworth, I think.
Yeah, something like that.
And the tiger's name I never remember, but he's cute.
Raj. Maybe?
Raj. All right, let's find out which ones we got. All right, who wants to go first?
Me.
Tiger. I think it's Raja. Is it Raja?
Maybe. I don't know.
I love these boxes. Look at that design. All fancy.
Little mouser?
Gus! Yay! First one is a pet friend from Cinderella.
It's actually pretty good. Pretty well made, actually. Oh, very nice.
Alright. Let's see what this one will be. And I got these on Amazon. You can buy just an individual one, or you can buy a set of 12. And it's really cool. If you get the box of 12, you get the display box from the stores. We got Anna.
Cute.
She is cute. I like the big eyes they gave
Yeah, I
her.
was just gonna say, she has really big eyes. She's got nobody now.
Hoping we get some couples.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Alright, on to our next one.
Oh, from Brave. I don't know his name, but it's one of the little bear friends.
He's cute.
He is cute. Yay, another pet.
So I'm 2 for 2 on pets.
Alright, here's the next one. Feels really big. Yay! It's Jasmine!
Yay!
She's so pretty. Definitely one of my favorites.
Well, we each got one of the ones we wanted, so that's cool.
Your turn.
Alright, and go with this one. I'll go 3 for 3 on pets. Where do I get it? Pretty small, so
The fish longer. Yay, Cogsworth!
Cogsworth!
Awesome. So we need the tiger. We need Merida. I don't know what comes. Oh, Olaf, Cinderella, and Belle. So we don't have any couples yet.
Nope.
Alright, I think this is gonna be one of the couples. Maybe Belle. I think it's gonna be a princess because they gave us 3 pets. 2 princesses. Feels like a princess. And it is, but no couples.
It's alright.
It is Tiana or Tiara. I think it's Tiana.
Princess and the Frog one.
Yeah. I assume her buddy is a frog. Alright, so these are the ones we got so far. And we're going to do the next 6 in another video, so make sure to go watch that. And make sure to like, comment, sub, and share. Bye, guys!
Bye!